where my old air conditioner was. We're going to get that covered up, have a deck over it, more space. Offered to help him. He told me he'd charge me more if I helped him. Let's see that award-winning smile. All right.